Today was one of those days you're sitting around, it's the middle of winter, and all you want to do is go fly fishing. So that's what I did. I packed up my gear, I packed up my truck, and I headed to one of my local streams. Today was going to be a very cold day, 19 degrees, but the sun was shining. There hasn't been a lot of snowfall or rain, so I knew the flows were going to be pretty good. So I tied up a couple of my favorite flies on 2 different rods to see what I could do. I knew I wasn't going to catch a lot of fish, but really, I was only after one fish. On previous trips to the same area, I missed this fish twice, but today, I finally got him.